Hi there, I've got another quick little model review from Oxford DIECAST, and this one is a brand new release. It's an ERF EC series of SCOTLEE International, and model collectors have been waiting a long time for Oxford DIECAST to do some decent models, and this one certainly is worth waiting for. I think it's the best model they've made, to be honest with you. It's quite a small model. I'll show you in size against a Pollock Scotland's Mantage X. Size wise it's a little bit smaller, but what an absolutely brilliant model it is. And unlike the rest of the Oxford DIECAST models, like this Pollock, you usually have to turn the trailer to release it, because it's got the little clip on there sort of thing, so you've got to turn it to release the trailer. But on this SCOTLEE one, it's like the Corgi road scene models. It's just got a simple little pin, so it just goes on, comes straight off, none of this turning stuff. Anyway, we'll have a look at the model. Like I said, it's a SCOTLEE ERF EC with a refrigerated trailer, and this is a unit. SCOTLEE International on the top, and this is the front. Looks very nice. Can we pick the registration up? There we go. X916 JCS. On the side we have the, I guess you call them European flags, SCOTLEE Transport, telephone number, and the other side basically the same again. Got the registration on the back again, indicators and lights, the little exhaust on the side, on the back. Does look a lovely little model. And that little refrigerated trailer, there's a refrigerated box, and SCOTLEE International triaxle trailer with all the info on the back. Excellent little model. Like I say, I think it's the best one Oxford DIECAST have done, and it's about time as well. About time they had some nice new little models out, and hopefully there's more to come. I'm going to be doing some more Oxford DIECAST models, the new ones. So if you want to have a look at my channel and subscribe, that would be brilliant. Thanks for watching.